My name is Jimmy Terracino. I'm Director of Operations at the Bobby L Community Ice Rink in Cicero. I take care of the rink. We have ice in the winter and roller skating in the summer. Alex, I guess, has been working with the town of Cicero here for a while with other departments. And then he said, hey, I got a couple products that might help you. And obviously it was Dispatch, and the other product was the Quick Dry silicone-based lubricant. He basically said, like, what kind of stuff do you run into? Made a phone call to one of the departments he deals with. I say, is this guy legit? Is it a good company? And he's like, oh yeah, he's a good guy. So that's how it started. And he's been a great rep. If there's ever a problem with building or anything, it's taken care of right away. I order the products, gets here right away. I want to say it comes the next day if it's in stock. So, and a really easy company to work with. And there's so many products. Like I could go online, I could probably find a product for everything on there. So he's just like, hey, do you ever want to try this? And he's given me samples to try stuff, and pretty much every sample he's given me, we've used. Alex recommended SPW Quick Dry. So what I do is I use this for the augers, and I just spray on the vertical augers. And inside this is called the conditioner. So underneath here is the blade to cut the ice. And so I like to give it a coating, every couple days when I know I'm gonna be using it and everything, and it helps keep the ice buildup and stuff from freezing out. Same thing with, this is the vertical auger. You can see this is actually some residue that we have on there. So what I like about this product, it sticks, you spray it and it sticks on, and it lasts longer than just a quick hit with WD-40 or another product. So, and obviously this has a lot of different uses, like for any kind of lubricant. It's a dry lubricant, which is nice. It's not dirty. It doesn't leak all over the place. So I've used it on padlocks. We have a lot of padlocks around here. I've used it on the Zamboni gates. I've used pretty much anything you could use WD-40 on. I've used this stuff on too, and I love the product. Nowadays, it's unfortunate, it's very rare to find companies easy to work with and helpful. Whether it's customer service, a salesperson, there's a few companies I deal with that are great, and there's also some that it's just like, why is this so difficult? Like, I'm your customer, you should be trying to provide us with the best quality help and, communications, and you don't see that a lot. And you guys have been great with that, and Alex has been great with that. We also take care of the park, the skate park as well, concession stand and restrooms. We get a lot of graffiti, and that's why I found this product from State Chemical. Dispatch, stuff's great. Spray it on, let it sit a little bit, wipe it off. It's been a big help. Just instead of having to repaint everything, it's probably I've tried other graffiti removers, and this is probably one of the best products that we've used. With the graffiti, it's really hard to find. Obviously, there's different type of graffiti. There's paint, there's spray paint, there's markers. We've used other products, over-the-counter products, just buy at a regular store. And sometimes they don't always work as good, and you have to pretty much scrape off the paint. Whereas I've noticed with this Dispatch, it works a lot easier, and it's been a big help taking care of graffiti, because the first thing, as soon as we see graffiti, we try getting it off as soon as we can. And sometimes there are spots that we don't see for a while, and that's when it's harder to get graffiti off. So we found that Dispatch has been one of the best products to get off the graffiti that's been sitting there for a while too, that's baked in. So it's really nice to have this product. Instead of saying, okay, I got to go to the store and get more, have this. Smell-wise, obviously no one likes to open up a garbage can for the smell, you know what I mean? Or same thing with the restrooms, And then we have the air fresheners, automated air fresheners you can control by your phone. The restrooms smell good, our lobby smells good. You get that, people are like, wow, it smells good, or it's nice and clean, because I'm big on trying to keep things clean. And for puck marks on here, we haven't really started cleaning them up yet, but at the end of the season, we clean the puck marks on the whiteboards, and same thing, we use a Dispatch on that, and that works, gets the puck marks out as well. It's hard to find a product that's consistent, and I found that this Dispatch is probably the most consistent product that we use thus far, so it solves a big problem. You guys have products that you can't just buy it, like sometimes you think, I need a product for this, and then you go to Menards or Home Depot or something, and then you can't find it, then you have the specialty products, or certain products that could solve almost any problem you have.
Now, visit www.stateindustrial.com to determine if State Chemical would be the right fit for your facility.